Get ready for all your adventures with a Dark Angel Medical Explorer kit. This kit is a very capable kit that has not only trauma first aid components, it has minor trauma first aid components in here. As far as attachment capability, has webbing on the back so you can attach it to a large number of PALS webbing, including panels on overlanding trucks inside the vehicle itself, so it can be quickly accessible. Like I said, it's a tearaway system, so all you have to do is release the buckle, grab the kit by this grab handle here, and pull it away from the webbing on the back, just like so. Quite robust. So when you open it up, it's got a burst zipper on style system. Grab the handle here, the pull tab opens up in a clamshell style application here. You've got trauma items on this side, and you have first aid, minor first aid items on this side. Now, this kit does come with the 4-foot roll of QuikClot bleeding control dressing, known as their SKU number 572. This is for a minor to moderate bleed. So this is not for our moderate to severe bleeds like the 12-foot rolls are. So if you want to increase its capability, you can get an extra roll of bleeding control dressing or QuikClot Combat Gauze and place in here. Also, on the front of the pouch, it has additional webbing, so you could actually put 2 more tourniquet pouches up here to carry a full complement of 3 tourniquets. It's got a pair of mini shears, and again, it's got the extra first aid, minor first aid items, and the trauma first aid over here, the major trauma first aid. So head over to darkangelmedical.com, check out our Explorer kit, and get ready for those adventures, and get that kit, get trained, and be the difference.